What's up guys, it's Amy here. Just a quick video on importing and exporting HTML pages with GroovePages. And if you sign up to your free GrooveFunnels account using my link, you would have received the HTML files to clone my opt-in and thank you pages. The link is in the description area below this video. So let's dive right in. So currently ShareFunnels is not available in GrooveFunnels yet. There is an option to copy pages from the web by going to Pages, clicking on the plus button, and then using the URL importer, copy pages from the web. This feature is really new and it can be a hit and miss. The best way to share landing pages and funnels for now is by exporting the HTML files and sharing that with another GrooveFunnels member. You can do that by going to this hamburger icon and clicking on Export Site. Once you click on it, it will open up a new tab and then you can download the zip file. I'll go to my downloads folder and then I'm going to unzip this file. It will open up a folder, and inside that folder will be the individual HTML files for all the pages within the funnel. And if you're on Windows, you can open up these files with a notepad. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to open it with TextMate over here. That's the index file, so I'll just highlight all of this, copy, or you can go to edit and copy here. Close out of that, and then I'm going to open up a new site and select blank template. Since this is the home page, it will be the index, and that's where we want to place. So just to double check, click on downloads, and that's the index file that you want to be on the home page. We're going to click on this button, which is the source code, and then pasting all of that in and then clicking save. And there you go, it's already appeared. That was really simple. You just get the code and paste it in. So you've got the landing page on the home page. Now you want to import the thank you page. So let's go to Pages and then click on plus, click on blank canvas, go back to your files, in downloads, open up the site, and we're looking for the thank you page, which is this one. I'll open up that, copy all of that again, click on this source code again and pasting it. Press save, and there you go, you've got the thank you page, and you can do the rest with the terms of service as well as the privacy page. And since this is your own website, you want to go and change the page and site settings. So just head over here, click on site settings and change your website name. So this will be my website name. You can upload the favicon here by choosing an image and then going down here and adding your Google Analytics, your Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel as well. Once you're done, just click on this check icon and then you will go to Pages and change these page names as well by clicking on the three dots, edit settings, and then change the page name here, the page title, add any keywords you like, and then once you're done, click on this check icon. The same applies to the thank you page. So you want to go in and rename it by going to edit settings, say this is the thank you, and you would change the page URL. So you can just call this TYP and make up a number, change the page title as well, adding your keywords and then clicking on that check icon to save it. Let's go back to the landing page and then you can go ahead and change this heading to whatever you like, changing this image as well as switching out your opt-in form. So if you are with a different email marketing service provider, you would want to go to Elements, scroll down under Integrations, look for your email marketing provider and drag it in. Now this form is for ActiveCampaign. You can see it here. So hopefully you're using ActiveCampaign, but by the time you see this, GrooveMail will be out and then you can swap out this form and use GrooveMail instead. I'll go up here and press save. Then you'll go to publish and click on this, and hopefully you watched my previous video on how to set up a custom domain or subdomain on GroovePages and integrating your Cloudflare SSL. So if you haven't seen that video, go check that out, and you just add in your custom domain over here and then click on publish and then you're done. That was super easy, wasn't it? So GrooveFunnels is aiming to release ShareFunnels around mid to late September, and I'll make a new video for you guys as soon as it gets released. Okay, thanks for watching guys. If you found this video useful, like it, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification down there for more videos like this, and see ya!